NLP. Learn more about body language and Neuro Linguistic programming. Written by John Adamson and Hendrick Kramers. Narrated by Rory Young and Sarah Margrave.
Body language. How eye contact and nonverbal cues help you analyze people. Written by John Adamson. Narrated by Rory Young. Chapter 1. Leading your group. You have changed jobs to a new one with higher status. As time passes and you become your new obligations, you'll begin to display the nonverbal communication of management. All of the signals of being top of the pecking order, but magnified and formalized. Your posture might be slightly more erect, spontaneously increasing your height and breadth, both nonverbal signs of supremacy in ape groups, where the larger and more powerful the animal, the more likely it is to be the leader. You could take on this particular expression referred to as a plus face, with head up, a direct gaze, and a serious facial expression. You're going to be more likely to take first turn, to claim more space, to touch subordinates, and to act in a friendly way to superiors. Despite of what lots of books claim, you can't become a leader just by starting to do all those things. Adopting a new type of nonverbal communication can work temporarily, but it will not work long-term unless it signifies a real change in mindset. One specific example is, if you're being promoted within the company, where everyone will have the ability to compare your new signals to the way you behaved before the promotion, the new you are going to be noted with skepticism. What you can do is to make sure that, as you develop leadership skills, your body language isn't weakening them, and that you're not still acting like a fan. So check your nonverbal communication regularly against the above pointed out signals. If several months into your big promotion you're still finding it hard to speak readily, to go initially, or to act confidently, these are signs that you're not becoming your new role. A word of caution here for the women. As part of their way of coping in life, most women generally develop better social skills. One specific example is, they smile and nod. But if excessive used, this sort of nonverbal communication can show submission or placation, therefore undermining woman's authority, particularly if there are guys in the team. So, when first moving into a management position, it may work for you as woman to tone down and de-stress these signs, smiling rarely or nodding only when something really meets with your approval. It may appear hard-hearted, but it may also mean that you're taken a great deal more seriously.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?